Hello everyone, Todd here from Wealth Builders Institute, and I just got into a Tesla short. You can see my matrix. This is my real account, real money, no SIM. You can see my account number up there, 174744196. I've had that account with TradeStation for 25 years. Okay, I had my editor cut out several minutes because the price just basically was going back and forth across where I got in at $2.07. Not really going to go into detail as to why I got into this trade. I want to show that I actually practice what I teach, and this is a level of trading, I'll call it, with 200 contracts that you could easily be there in just a couple of months. And you hopefully will see with this trade how quickly we can make some money. I'm looking to make several $1,000s on this trade. I've been in it now for maybe 10 minutes. I'm not quite sure. I'm just guessing, but we'll see what happens. I expect it to go down there and find some support around that previous low, about 250, 2.5 or so. Let's see. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. Wow, that moved up $9 grand. I'm going to take the money and run about 6,200. Talk soon.